We'll guide you through how to find where Dropbox is located on your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your computer and go to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Look for the Dropbox icon, which typically looks like a blue open box. If it's not visible, click on the small upward arrow to reveal hidden icons. Once you find the Dropbox icon, right-click on it to open a menu. From this menu, select the option that says Open Dropbox Folder. This will take you directly to the Dropbox folder on your computer, where all your synced files are stored. If you're using Windows, another way to locate Dropbox is by opening File Explorer. In the left-hand sidebar, you should see Dropbox listed under Quick Access, or This PC, as a drive or folder, depending on your setup. Double-clicking on this will also open your Dropbox folder. If you can't find it there, you can use the search bar at the bottom left of your screen. Type in Dropbox and select the Dropbox app from the search results. This will also open the main Dropbox folder. For Mac users, open Finder, then look in the left sidebar. You should see Dropbox listed under Favorites. Clicking on this will take you directly to your Dropbox folder. If it's not there, you can use the Spotlight search by pressing Command and Spacebar together, then typing Dropbox and pressing Enter to open it. These methods ensure you can always access your Dropbox files with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.